Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the missing number in between these given fractions. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's look at these fractions very carefully. 1 over 5, 1 over 3, 3 over 7, 5 over 9, and 3 over 5. Let's look for a certain pattern and then we are going to apply and justify. You may pause the video if you want to solve this problem on your own. Let's focus on these fractions. This fraction 1 over 3 and 3 over 5. Let's go ahead and multiply and divide this fraction by 2 and likewise this fraction by 2, multiply and divide. So this number on the numerator 1 times 2 is going to give us 2, and at the denominator 2 times 3 is going to become 6, and likewise on the numerator on this number 2 times 3 is 6, and at the denominator this 2 times 5 is going to become 10. And now we can see 1 over 3 could be written as 2 over 6, and likewise 3 over 5 could be written as 6 over 10. And now we can see a clear pattern. We can see on the numerators we got number 1, 2, 3. So this number, missing number, is going to be 4, then 5, and then 6. And likewise in the denominator we got 5, 6, 7, and the missing number in the denominator is going to be 8, and then 9, and then 10. So thus our missing number is going to be simply 4 divided by 8, and if we reduce it, that is going to give us 1 over 2. So thus our missing number turns out to be a 1 over 2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.